What is the CattleFax 2026 average price outlook for fed cattle, first of all, for this
year? What we think we're going to end up averaging is very close to what we did a year ago. A year ago, we had a big range in prices. Prices ranged from $1.95 at the lows in January at convention a year ago to $2.45. So we had a $50 range in fed cattle prices in 2025. We don't think our range will be as wide as it was a year ago, but we think our average will be very close. We averaged $2.25 last year. We think we're going to average very close to that again this year in 2026.
What about feeder cattle?
Feeder cattle prices strong. Again, not much change there. Cost of gains is as low as they are. We're still putting a lot of gain on for around $1 a pound. So feeder cattle prices are stout.
What's your average then for the year?
I don't remember where our annual average is, but we've got a lot of cattle out in here trading at 360, 370 right now. It's where the indexes are trading. So we're going to have very, very strong levels as we come through here.
And do you see strong prices going out through next year, the year after? How long?
Well, I think our cow-calf producers, they're going to have very strong levels, maybe not as elevated as they are now, but very strong levels for a couple more years because the expansion trend is so slow. When we look at it from a feeder cattle and fed cattle standpoint, you've got to look at the market that we're at or near the cyclical highs based on everything that's going on out here. So when you're typically there, you'll get some correction off these levels. When we do see trade normalize, from maybe these tariffs, all the trade wars that we've got going on, all that stuff kind of normalize, and we do see the Mexican border reopen and we get that flow of cattle, I suspect we'll go through a correction in all these markets that we all just need to be prepared for.
Thanks so much. That is Randy Block with CattleFax.
Coverage of the 2026 NCBA Cattle Convention on Ag Day is brought to you by Alltech. Alltech delivers smarter, more sustainable solutions for agriculture. Our diverse portfolio of products and services improves the health and performance of plants and animals, resulting in better nutrition for all.